All right, so visualization and what are nets, and what does this net fold into? So a net is a two-dimensional representation of a three-dimensional shape. Three-dimensional prisms are often represented using two-dimensional nets. A cube has 6 faces, 2 of which are called bases, and 4 of which are called lateral faces. In other words, in a cube, faces that are not bases. Here's a great worksheet on visualization. So the first part says, will these fold into a cube and which faces are opposite of each other? Then there's a low-tech and a high-tech version of each of these. So for example, imagine this net folding into a cube. If one base of the cube is labeled with the letter B, which other square is the other base? And how do you know? Think about that. Where would you put that other B if you folded it? Some of you might struggle with really visualizing this, but try it first. If you can't do it, then draw the net on a piece of paper, cut it out, and see which part you would label B. Here's another one. This is a different net. This does fold into a cube, but which faces are opposite of each other? So put the same letter opposite the face that it is opposite of. For example, where would you put the other A? So when you folded this into a cube, it would be opposite of that existing A. Continue this activity looking at these nets and whether or not they will fold into a cube. Some of them will and some of them won't. Try it. You can cut out these nets and sort them in your notebook as to ones that fold into a cube and ones that do not. And make sure you have your reasoning. So can you write a rule or explanation on how you know if a particular net folds into a cube or not? Try it. There's a great high-tech version of this activity on the National Council of Teachers of Mathematics. It looks like this. Practice or verify your rule using this tool. You can do it multiple times and see if you can improve your time. This really helps students' spatial abilities. Thanks for watching.